Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check your comments on Pinterest, and here's how it is done. To comment on a pin in the Pinterest app, open the app and tap on the pin you want to comment on, whether it is a video or photo. Next, tap the heart icon at the bottom left to view all comments. You can then add your own comment, such as nice, and it will appear at the top. You can also edit or delete your comment as needed. If you want to see a list of all the comments you have made on Pinterest, go back to the main screen and tap on Save at the bottom right. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to access settings. In the settings menu, select social permissions and activity, then scroll down to comment history. Here, you can view all the comments you have made and the pins you have commented on. You can open any comment to edit or delete it if desired. And that is everything you need to know about how to check your comments on Pinterest. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.